We started to build this plant, I think we broke ground in 2011. We started construction in 2012. We're very proud of it. It's now the largest in North America, so that's why we're here to celebrate.
The Sherwood plant is our largest plant with a capacity of 2.2 million standard cubic feet a day. Plus, it's one of our largest producers of our liquid products, our propanes, butanes, and that, over 4 million gallons a day from there.
So the liquids are then shipped all over the United States and all over the world as well. We actually ship more product around the world than we do in the United States. So it's critical to the tax base, it's critical to providing employment, and it's critical to our producers who wouldn't be able to continue to drill wells and produce without the plant.
You know that they say you can't pick your family, but you can pick your partners. And this has been just a great 10-year plus partnership with MPLX. And it's worked because they share our commitment to safety, environmental stewardship, and supporting the communities and hiring locally where they can.
What an incredible day for West Virginia. We welcome these opportunities. We know we can do it environmentally sound. I love our state, and I'm only here for one reason, and that is to make it better. And today we are so close, and I am so proud to be here.
This has been a wonderful event at Sherwood today. We're very, very happy that Governor Justice was able to make it. He has so much passion. We were so honored to hear his remarks about how proud he is to have West Virginia have the largest processing plant in North America. I couldn't be happier about the turnout. Not only the federal and state representatives, but the local commissioners and state representatives as well.
I'm honored to be here to participate in this, because when you see with MPLX what possibilities come next and the following, a day after that.
Our vision is to be a valued and a dynamic company that is enhancing life's possibilities through energy solutions. And that's exactly what this investment here is doing. This is advancing life's possibilities through energy solutions.
There's a lot of pushback against carbon projects across America, and have been for years. But this group persevered.
I want to be your partner in Washington to help us get over some of these hurdles. And as long as we can make the case that we're weaving that balance between the economy and the environment, and we're providing for the security of our country at the same time, I can make that case all day long.